The following testimonials are real and unscripted. The participants have not been paid for their involvement in this program.
I think my skin definitely looks younger now after using the system. The fine lines that I had around my eyes are gone.
It brightened up. It gave my face a lift.
The bottom line is the texture of my skin is changing.
Within just a few weeks, you can see and feel skin that acts younger and looks over 40% younger without having to resort to invasive procedures with Artistry Time Defiance skincare system. While cosmetic procedures can provide an immediate change to the skin, they can't change the age or health of your skin.
In order to achieve younger, more healthy appearing skin, an anti-aging skincare system is needed, such as Time Defiance products.
Time Defiance cleansing treatment, conditioning toner, day protect moisturizers with UV protection, and night recovery moisturizers that help repair and provide a virtual lift to your skin. Together, these products offer the most powerful anti-aging skincare system available, with patent-pending technology proven to provide cellular-level communication for skin that acts and looks younger.
As skin ages, cellular metabolism slows, and with the slowing of our cellular metabolism, we start to see a breakdown in the lines of communication within our skin. And as our cellular communication breaks down, that leads to the visible signs of aging that we see. The Time Defiance system of products provides benefits that extend beyond invasive procedures. Invasive procedures like a facelift can help to change the appearance of the skin immediately, but don't do anything to change the health or condition of the skin.
The Time Defiance system reduces the appearance of wrinkles while restoring evenness, smoothness, firmness, and hydration. The result is skin that looks over 40% younger.
You know what? You have to do it at least for 2 weeks, and you will see a difference.
The results are so apparent in such a short amount of time. And to say, why not? Don't you feel like you deserve to have nice, healthy looking skin?
I would love to see women try the Time Defiance system because it really does seem to defy time.
It's up to you to make the decision to defy age beyond procedures. Use the Time Defiance system exclusively from Artistry.